Draw the projections of the following points on the same XY line, keeping convenient distance between each projectors. Name the quadrants in which they lie. Point capital P 10 mm above HP, 15 mm in front of VP. Capital Q 15 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of behind VP. Point R 25 mm below HP and in VP. And capital S 40 mm above HP and in VP. So this is the problem. So first we are going to write the solution in the sketchbook. How to write the solution in the sketchbook? First you draw the XY line and draw the XY line, mark XY. So the condition is point capital P 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So above HP and in front of VP will be seen in the first quadrant. So first we are going to draw a vertical projector. Above HP will always comes above XY line. So from here you measure 10 mm above XY line, mark this point. Since it is above HP, the first front view, so it will be P dash, and in front of VP will be always below XY line. So that is the top view. From here you measure 15 mm in front of VP and mark this point, which will be small p, and this dimension is 15 mm. So the point capital P lies in first quadrant. So point P first lies in first quadrant. Similarly, capital Q. So then from here you draw a vertical projector at any convenient distance from the projector P. Then he says 15 mm above HP and 25 mm behind VP. So this condition is satisfied only when you look from the, so this is in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, both the front view and top view will be above XY line. So Q is 15 mm above HP, means the front view. So from here you measure 15 mm and mark this point as Q dash and give the dimension as 15, and then 25 mm behind VP. Behind VP will be above XY line. From here you measure 25 mm above XY line and mark the point as small q. So this dimension will be 25. Similarly, so draw a vertical projector at convenient distance from the projector Q, 25 mm below HP, so naturally below XY line. So below HP and in VP. So since it is on VP, so below HP will be there wherein it is in third and fourth quadrant. So from the XY line measure 25 mm below XY line and mark the point as R dash. Since it is on VP, so obviously the point will be on XY line, it is the top view, which is R. So below HP condition is there in third and as well as the fourth quadrant. So therefore the point capital R lies in third as well as fourth quadrant. Similarly, capital S is 40 mm above HP and in VP. So from projector R you draw at any convenient distance one more projector, and here above HP and in VP, above HP condition is there in first and second quadrant, and since it is on VP, so the point will be on XY line in the top view, so it is S, and 40 mm above HP. So above HP will always comes above XY line. So from here you measure 40 mm and mark this point, which will be S dash. So this dimension will going to be 40. Therefore, capital point capital S lies in first as well as second quadrant. So we are going to have this solution. So this, in order to analyze this in the 3 dimension. So a point is capital P is 10 mm above HP and in front of VP. So it's the first quadrant. When P is rotated down, so top view will going to come below XY line and the front view will be above XY line, so which has been shown here. And the point capital Q is 15 mm above HP and 25 mm behind VP. So this is the case wherein you have in the second quadrant when HP is rotated to the top, so that 15 mm above HP will be Q dash and 25 mm behind VP will be Q, so which is comes above XY line. So this will going to be the second quadrant. And now point capital R is below HP and on VP. Since it is on VP, so obviously the point will be on HP. So here it will be on HP, that is the small r will be on the XY line. So the small r will be XY line. And below HP is seen in vertical plane. So below HP distance is seen in vertical plane. So wherein the distance is 25 mm. So below HP condition is satisfied both in fourth quadrant as well as the third quadrant. Therefore, the point capital R lies in third as well as fourth quadrant. Now we are going to consider the point capital S. Point capital S is above HP by 40 mm. So above HP condition is satisfied in first and second quadrant. and S is on VP, so obviously the point will be on HP, so you're going to get it on HP here. So this will be small s, so that will be on XY line small s, and this will going to be above HP. So when it is rotated in the first quadrant, HP will come down, and in second quadrant HP will go up. So but the image will going to remain the same. Therefore this point capital S will be lies in first as well as second quadrant. So this will going to be the analysis, and whatever we have here, the same thing will be there in this final solution here. So this and that will going to remain the same, and this will going to be the final answer.